Hey, what's up? I'm the boss. What's up, Rico? How you doing? How you doing, man?
Good, you?
Good, good. Congratulations.
What are you doing there working, man?
Man, I do it all.
Trying to find Carlos, man.
I haven't seen Carlos yet. So I heard that they're starting over there and working their way this way. Okay. If I see him, I'll tell him you want him over here.
Cut back all this.
Uh-huh.
Walk up that wall.
Right here, I'll cut the wall back.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll let him know if I see him. All right, congratulations, man. Another day, another dollar. That was another supervisor. Actually started with that guy. He's a superintendent now. And he said, "What are you doing out here working?" Because I'm a supervisor. And you don't see many supervisors out here in the field doing maintenance work. But you have to lead by example, and that's the way that you inspire other people. You know, we're all the same. Nobody's more important than the next person. So that's my philosophy. That's why I think I'll be a good candidate for a superintendent or any level, because I understand where I come from and I know where I come from, and I'm not afraid to still go back and work and